Happy Monday. How are we? View. I'm at work. Come on now. Another, it used to be a golf course actually, fun fact for you. Anyway, 8 till 4. I'm gonna walk there. Got like 10 minutes. Day 12, madness. Went to bed at about 11 last night. Didn't order Domino's or nothing like that. I would have shown you. You know that. Had a banana on like a breakfast bar this morning. Gonna go pick up the fishing rod after work, do my food shop, and then I'm off Tuesday and Wednesday, and I've got all like the excursions to do. It's gonna be sick. These next 3 days are gonna be bad, man. I cannot wait, mate. I actually try to get some fishing in as well, which is gonna be sick. I think TikTok's still shadow banned. I've not uploaded for a full day. I'm gonna do a full day today as well, maybe to give it a rest, because apparently that's something you do. Yeah, that's it. I hope it ain't been shadow banned, because I don't really know what happened. Like, I'm gonna have to make a new account. I'm not really sure. But yeah, see you later. I'll bring you with me obviously later to the fishing shop. Say hello to Tim if he's there and anyone else who's there. And then yeah, do my food shop. Skedaddle back. Yeah, we'll just see what happens, mate. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Well, I'm saying that like you're gonna be going as well. You're gonna be watching this video in one go. See you later. Right, so I don't know. I can't quite see how it's looking, but I think it's alright anyway. Chuffed as with that. Sick, mate. 50 bucks I got it. It says 60 on there. Supposedly, the owner bought it for 150. They were just trying to sell random stuff. You gotta think he's in a tackle shop. I mean, I think he just puts random stuff in his own shop as well to get rid of. This is like the only piece like this in here. Got this sticker on the back. Don't know if that is picking it up. But yeah, absolutely chuffed for that. Now, I might make a short of opening these up as well. But the real. Oh, check this. Mate, I can't believe it. Look, meant to be. I don't know if it's picking that up. Meant to be 170. I think they gave me for like 150 or something. Just wait for this, mate. I think this is something I'm gonna be using for years. I didn't mind spending the money, you know what I mean? By the way, like, I've done all this, like, I'm probably the only bloke you know, yeah, who finishes work. The shopping place is only, more like, a supermarket's 5:10 from him. Also, where the tackle shop is, it's right next to it. But still gets home 2 hours later. Then gets home, puts all his food away, and then locks himself out looking for food bag bins. And that's to wait outside for about half hour, 40 minutes till his roommate gets home. Fucking hell, mate. My dad's gonna be watching this, like, how's this plonker made it? All my family's probably watching it, like, how's he made it for these 8-9 months? I'll tell you how. Mate. Oh my God. Are you joking, me? Mate. Oh my God, are you joking me? Are you joking me? That looks beautiful. Look at the line he put on there as well for me. Just... Yeah, I am buzzing with that, you're mad. And then check this, mate. The reason why I started waffling about art in that last video as well, by the way, is because... it's because... this tube that she's made from there, still forgot the lady's name, bless, but I'll be going there like once a week anyway, no doubt, splashing my money up the wall whilst I'm here. Yeah, made this for me in front of me, if you remember from the video. Got to put my name on it and everything, but I'm just gonna get like maybe like Aussie stickers, maybe get people to do some art on it for me and that. I just think it'd be sick. Yeah, so thank you again, but check this. Not even bubble wrapped it for me, by the way. Because I said about like taking it home and stuff. Look, bless her. Put it all, like, it's always full of it. It's fitting perfectly. Just amazing service, mate. Like, it's crazy. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, look, this was meant to be 99.95. I think it was like 70. Oh, look at that. The lighting ain't that good. Look at that, the pink on it, mate. I ain't putting it all together. But, yes, mate. Mad. I love this little bit at the end here. I don't know why the camera does that. Like, I wish you could see like how I'm holding this, because it's just, I don't know how it's doing this. Oh, it's because the camera's there. I thought it was down. Yeah. Oh. But obviously I still need to buy hooks. And either lures or a bit of bait, I'm not sure yet. But I couldn't, I'll be honest with you, I didn't want to walk around, because I would have been in there for ages, probably would have spent a load more money. I've just got the rod and reel now, so I can just go in there. I mean, I don't think it makes any sort of difference, but yeah. I don't think I'll be able to fish tomorrow really, just because of how long this tour takes and stuff, and how I'm going to be feeling after it. And of course, I still want to like edit videos and stuff like that. That's what I'm going to be doing tonight. But yeah, oi, quick one. So if you do follow along, you would know that I mentioned about a bloke yesterday that I worked with. And I could tell he felt like a knob after the way he was acting, because he was like trying to kick me in the leg and that.
Are you going to beat Clancy?
People walking by, so I feel bare awkward. What's wrong with me? Anyway, yeah, he also texted me later on in the night saying it was like playing some computer game or something, and there was like a guy with my name and he was like dead or something. I didn't properly look, I'm not sure. And then throughout the day he was just being nice and being kinder and that. And then saying I was like acting different and stuff like that. This is how you know. That's how you know people. Because I weren't either, it was just a guilty conscience. I definitely weren't acting any different. Anyway though, yeah, like he's an alright bloke. Just, yeah, he's sound. I mean, can't take anything personally. Anyway, what I wanted to say was, and it's funny because like the example's just gone out of the way there. But like, say gone out of the way, like it just looks like bollocks now. But essentially, like when I first got on the camera, like, and this is why I'm like looking back at all the videos I've done recently and that, like I'm still a little bit, but I was so nervous, like even shitter on the camera than what I am now. Like so much worse, just didn't know where to look, kept saying, I'm just not being like my personality, but the moment I treat it like it's my mate, it's sweet as. And what the fuck, mate? Yeah, what I was saying is like, I can just be like myself, you know, like my actual self, with the camera, like, and not putting up this front, like, and I've done it before, not even when there's like a camera there, like putting up this like, not like mysterious, but you know what I mean, like what's going on sort of person and stuff like that. But realistically, I'm a weird cunt. I am. I like having weird laughs with my mates. I've got weird humour. I like if I'm just like in this room right now, no one's here. just quiet off, so my roommate's downstairs and that, but if it's just like dead quiet and just letting out like a fucking like, and no one's even looking, no one's looking at it, it's just me on my own, but it just feels good to do that. Not even like a weird way, do you know what I mean though? Like, oh, it just sounds so cringe, like, I'm not acting like a silly, goofy bollocks, not that, I'm just saying like, yeah, I can just be myself, and that self is just being weird, and I enjoy it. Instead of putting on like this cool, like weird front and like chatting to the camera as if like it's fucking someone to impress or something, you know what I mean?